Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for Finals Medical School Easy Guide. Start by mapping your exam dates and reverse engineer a study calendar with daily goals and short breaks. Focus on high-yield topics first and rotate subjects to avoid burnout. Use question banks with timed blocks and review missed concepts immediately. Sleep and small meals matter. Aim for consistent routines. Keep this plan flexible and track progress each week to stay confident. Use active techniques that force retrieval, like timed question blocks and self-explanation, to build confidence and speed. Alternate study modes: read, write, quiz, and teach a topic in your own words to reveal gaps. Create concise flashcards for key facts and review them daily using spaced intervals. Mix in full-length practice exams every 1 to 2 weeks to gauge readiness. Adjust focus based on weak areas and celebrate small wins to stay motivated. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like so I can share more practical study tips and honest routines. Quick recommendation. On another note, I use leak-proof meal prep containers that save time and reduce stress during intense study blocks. Check the product link in the description for details and deals. Supporting the channel helps me make free content for you. Now let's get back to the video. Treat your body like study equipment. Prioritize sleep, hydration, and moderate movement to keep cognitive function sharp. Plan simple meals and snacks that sustain energy for long sessions, and set short walking or stretching breaks every hour. Pack your bag and confirm exam logistics a day ahead to avoid last-minute panic. Keep social check-ins brief but meaningful to reduce isolation. Small habits protect performance and give you steady momentum toward the finals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.